Class 1 Arithmetic Skip Counting. Hello children, today we are going to learn about skip counting. Skip counting is very useful. It helps us to count faster. All the children love to do skipping with the rope, isn't it? What do you do in skipping? Jump over the rope. And you know we do the same thing with the number. So children, what is skip counting? Skip counting is when a number is increased by the same value each time. Skip counting is when a number is increased by the same value each time. To skip count, you add the same number over and over again. Skip counting helps with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Skip counting helps with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It is nothing more than just counting by skipping numbers. It is nothing more than just counting by skipping numbers. Skip counting by 2s is counting every second number. Skip counting by 3 is counting every third number. Skip counting by 4 is counting every fourth number. Skip counting by 5 is counting every fifth number. To skip count, you add the same number over and over. So children, how do you do skip counting? You can start at any number. When you count normally, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you add 1 to get the next number. To count by 2s, you add 2 to get the next number. Like 2 plus 2 equal to 4, 4 plus 2 equal to 6, 6 plus 2 equal to 8, 8 plus 2 equal to 10. Skip count, counting by 3s. You add 3 to get the next number. Like 3 plus 3 equal to 6, 6 plus 3 equal to 9, 9 plus 3 equal to 12, 12 plus 3 equal to 15. Skip counting by 4s. To count by 4s, you add 4 to get the next number. 30 plus 4 equal to 34, 34 plus 4 equal to 38, 38 plus 4 equal to 42, 42 plus 4 equal to 46, 46 plus 4 equal to 50. skip counting by 5. To count by 5s, you add 5 to get the next number. 60 plus 5, 65. 65 plus 5 equal to 70. 70 plus 5 equal to 75. 75 plus 5 equal to 80. Skip counting really helps with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It is also used a lot for counting things. Skip counting by 2s. The example shows how to count forward by 2s starting from 67. Add 2 to get the next number when skip counting by 2s. Do not count the in-between numbers. Here are more examples of counting by 2. Look for patterns. Patterns help with skip counting. Can you see a pattern? All the numbers are even numbers. Children, do you know what are even numbers? Even numbers are those numbers which can be divided by 2. Can you see a pattern? All the numbers are odd numbers. So, do you know what are odd numbers? Odd numbers are those numbers which can only be divided by 1 and the number itself. Two more examples of counting by 2s. Add 2 to get the next number when skip counting by 2. The digit in the ones place is increasing by 2. We started with an even number, so all the numbers are even. And in the second, the digit in the ones place is increasing by 2. And we started with an odd number, so all the numbers are odd. Now counting by 3s. The example shows how to count forward by 3s. Add 3 to get the next number. When skip counting by 3s, do not count the in-between numbers. Here are more examples of counting by 3. Look for patterns. Patterns help with skip counting. The digit in the ones place is increasing by 3. Skip counting by 3s is counting every third number. 31, 34, 37, 40, 43, 46, 49, 52, 55. In skip counting by 3s, we get both even and odd numbers. Now skip counting by 4s. The example shows how to count forward by 4s. Add 4 to get the next number when skip counting by 4s. Do not count the in-between numbers. 30, 34, 38, 42, 46, 50, then 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 50, 54, 58, 62, 66, 70. Now, skip counting by 5s. The example shows how to count forward by 5s. Add 5 to get the next number when skip counting by 5s. Do not count the in-between numbers. The digit in the ones place is increasing by 5. More examples of counting by 5. 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Skip counting by 5s is counting every fifth number. In skip counting by 5, all numbers end with a 5 or a 0. It is nothing more than just counting by skipping numbers. Now, let's practice skip counting by 2s. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49. We started with an odd number, so all the numbers are odd. Skip counting by 3s. 20, 23, 26, 29, 32, 35, 38, 41, 44, 47, 50. Skip counting by 4s. 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 27, 31, 35, 39, 43, 47, 51, 55. Skip counting by 5s. 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Do it on your own. Skip counting by 2. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Skip counting by threes. Skip counting by four. Skip counting by five. Skip counting by three. Skip counting by two. Fill in the blanks. Skip counting by fours. Fill in the blanks. Skip counting by fives. Fill in the blanks by skip counting by five. Fill in the blanks by skip counting by 4 and 5. Did you understand what is skip counting? Now we can sum up skip counting by knowing that skip counting is when a number is increased by the same value each time. To skip count, you add the same number over and over again. Skip counting helps with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It is nothing more than just counting by skipping numbers. It is nothing more than just counting by skipping numbers. Skip counting is just hopping, skipping and jumping over numbers. Skip counting is just hopping, skipping and jumping over numbers. It helps us to count faster. It helps us to count faster. Skip counting is when a number is increased by the same value each time. To skip count, you add the same number over and over again. Skip counting helps with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It is nothing more than just counting by skipping numbers. Skip counting is just hopping, skipping and jumping over numbers. It helps us to count faster. It helps us to count faster. Thank you, children.